whether it is job or is entrepreneur or is student, anything, do it. Do specialize in what work you are doing. Specialization is the key to success. Most people and you are unable to get real success in their life because you're trying to do a lot of different works at the same time. You need to learn the importance of specialization. It is very important. We need to master our skills in particular sector or niche, micro niche, area of interest, whatever it is, you have to master it before jumping on to another work or field. Now someone will say that what about multitasking? Multitasking is also important. So for that I will tell you that when to do multitasking is way more important than to just do. I will tell you when to do in the later video. So take an example of Dr. Phil. When a person who has a problem related to bones, so what you will suggest, an orthopedic doctor or just a doctor? More probability will go to suggest an orthopedic doctor because that defines the doctor. He has expert, he is specialist in problem related to bones, so the people will more likely to suggest that doctor to that person who has a problem. So specialists are suggested more rather than the person who doesn't define himself. So whatever work you do, you need to be a specialist and expert in that work. Now, why to do specialization? Here are the three reasons. First thing is specialists are paid more. Specialists are paid more rather than the person who is not defining himself or herself very well. Second is specialists are suggested more by the people or by the audience. And the third thing is specialists are being seen as an expert and they create an authority in their work field whenever the audience see them. So these are the three reasons why you should be specialized and whatever work you are doing. So take an example. When a person says that I am an engineer, the immediate question will be which type of engineer, which engineer, civil or mechanical or computer, which type. The confusion creates when the people doesn't find any specialist, any specialized, any well-defined work. So the person who is doing his work, and it is said by one person that whenever you donate 10,000 hours to a particular work, then you become an expert in that work. You have created an authority. Now you have created, you are in the topmost field of whatever work you are doing. So to donate that 10,000 hours in particular work on that same work is really important. But most of the people will not be able to sacrifice 10,000 hours on that same particular work each and every day because people are afraid about the wall which comes in between. When you hit the wall means the challenges. When the challenges are started to hitting you, you change your path and then follow, or then when you are bored from that one work, then you jump to do other work. That is called as shiny object syndrome, SOS, sorry. So shiny object syndrome is the thing which you follow from very starting when you do a work. When someone said that I am doing a drop shipping, then other will say I am doing affiliate marketing, other will say I am doing digital marketing, I am doing stock marketing, whatever thing is. When you do your work, when you are someone, let's say you are an affiliate marketer, when you say that a person who is doing stock marketing is earning more money, then your mind diverts to that stock market and you start running towards stock market and you stop affiliate marketing. Then when you see another person who is doing digital marketing, then you ran towards that and you stop stock marketing. You're not following the thing which is 10,000 hours rule. So what if someone will say that what work you have done till now? That person will say I have done affiliate marketing, stock marketing, and now I am doing digital marketing. But have you created a specialist in whatever work you are doing? You doesn't have that saying, or you can't say that yes I am expert in that field, because you have fallen in the trap of SOS. So whatever you do, you should be specialized in whatever you do. Then only you will be rectified by the audience. Then only you will get the success in what work you are doing. So this was the learning from my side on this day, that don't fall in the trap of SOS, that means shiny object syndrome, and do specialize in whatever work you are doing, not related to education, but in all aspects, whether it is job or is entrepreneur or is student, anything, do it, do specialize in what work you are doing. So if you like this video, please give a like button, do like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is Kenneth Shah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my way?